All right, what's happening, everybody? How we doing today? Just gonna kind of go over where we are now as a company and where we're going, as far as what 2020 has to offer for not just us, but really everybody from a business web presence perspective. And what I can say is things are definitely changing. That's always happening in this field, and it's always going to continue to happen. It's about continuing to evolve and stay ahead of the curve. And what I'm seeing more and more, especially as new clients come to us and people who have been with other companies and are just not happy or satisfied, is that expectations have gotten to the point where people really want things done. They want things done as quick as possible, but they also want things done that work. And there's this fine line between trying to push things out where you're taking, steps forward and where you're actually taking steps back. And that's what I'm finding in this industry more and more is that people just aren't able to keep up with the progress that's needed, or companies, I should say, web firms, and it does take a lot. You have to understand the person's business. You have to understand what they want done, their code. There's a lot of pieces that go into taking on a project, that are becoming almost overwhelming. But at the same time, you kind of got to look at any business. Anybody who's building a house or repairing a car, such as repairing a website. I mean, there's a lot of time and a lot of even service products that go into things like that. So you really have to kind of weigh your things here, and maybe you have to expand the time frames, and that's what we're starting to do. I mean, we can push things out pretty quick, but at the same time, you don't want to be in a constant not making deadlines. You'd rather be hitting deadlines, and again, it only helps you to get things out as quick as you can, because not only does it keep the client happy, but it also gets the receivable in. So I think in 2020, what most web firms are going to be struggling with more and more, and again, things are moving more local. People aren't going overseas as much for their development because there's a lot of benefits now to working with a local company. A lot of people have been burned in the past and want to find a web firm that they're able to work with, meet with, sit with when things go wrong, yell at. But overall, I mean, you got to look that this industry is only continuing to grow. And it's going to continue to grow over the course of the next year and really the next solid 10 years. Now, whether those tools are going to be the same, such as, things used to be just HTML and CSS, then they moved to CMSs like WordPress and Joomla. Now we're seeing a lot more web applications like Vue, React. The technologies might continue to change, but the need for a strong web presence isn't changing. And that's where I want to say that I think we need to continue to just stay focused on making good technology and also understanding the time frames and what those technologies take to build. So, guys, with that said, if you have any questions about getting your applications, your websites, your digital presence, your code, anything for 2020 and the kind of where things are going, let us know. Also, leave a like and a subscribe. That stuff helps us, and we hope to catch you in the next video. But whatever you do, just stay focused. 2020 is going to be a great year for this industry. So we'll catch you in the next video. Take care, guys.